Good morning, dear children. How are you? We are completing the exercise of the chapter 7, our body and sense organs. And we have completed half of the exercise. Assessment zone we already started. In our previous class, we have completed few exercises. And today again, we are going to do the remaining exercise. So get ready with your book, take out your book, your pencil box, and one more important thing, your beautiful smile, and get ready. Here look at page number 57, assessment zone. We have completed this exercise A, we have completed the exercise B. Now turn the page. We have already done exercise C also, and today we are going to start from D. So get ready for it. Read the instruction first. Answer the following questions. We need to read the question and understand well, and accordingly we need to answer. First one is, name the 5 sense organs. We need to find out what to do. We need to write 5 sense organs, and you know we have 5 sense organs. What are these? Eyes, ears. We have 2 ears, we have 2 eyes. Nose, we have 1 nose. Nose helps us to smell. And tongue. Tongue helps us to taste. And skin. We have 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Now number 2. Which part of your body will help you to sense that an incense stick has been lit in the house? What is being asked? क्या पूछा है क्वेश्चन में? आपका कौन सा बॉडी पार्ट आपको हेल्प करता है सेंस करने के लिए कि आपके घर में किसी ने इंसेंस स्टिक जलाई है? इंसेंस स्टिक मीन्स अगरबत्ती. पूजा में हम इंसेंस स्टिक जलाते हैं ना, और उसकी हमें खुशबू आती है अच्छी अच्छी. विच ऑर्गन हेल्प अस टू सेंस दिस? Yes, our nose. Very good. Nose help us to sense that an incense stick has been lit in the house. Now number 3. Why are sense organs important? Sense organs important क्यों हैं? बताओ क्यों sense organs हमारे लिए important हैं? Because they enable us to sense the world around us. Means they help us to see, they help us to hear, they help us to smell, they help us to taste, they help us to feel. They enable us to sense the world around us. Alright? So why are sense organs important? हमारे sense organs क्यों important है? Because they help us to hear, see, smell, taste and feel. Okay? And now number E. Spot 3 differences between the 2 pictures and circle them. Wow, here there are 2 pictures. It looks same. दोनों pictures एक सी हैं, और पता है आपको फिर भी इनमें कुछ कुछ डिफरेंसेस हैं दैट वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट द डिफरेंस. Check it out. Come on. Yes. Count the number of apples in this picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And count down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One apple is missing here. That is the difference. I already circled here. And next is you can see the design of the frock of this girl. इस पिक्चर में गर्ल के फ्रॉक पे क्या डिजाइन बना है? स्टार. And here you can see the circle. So that is the difference. So you can make a circle here. That is the difference. And anything else? Yes. Here are 3 birds and here one is missing. Spot 3 differences. I did. See that 3 differences I just found out. 1, 2 and 3. And there is one more difference. You can see that here is sun is seen in this picture and here is sun is missing, right? And you can find some more if there are some more difference. Just check it out, find out, try to find out if there are more. Okay, I could see this much only. Okay, you just observe the picture carefully. And now look at this question. Which organ help you to spot these differences? हमने अभी अभी इन पिक्चर्स में डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट किया है और कौन सा हेल्प ऑर्गन ने हमें हेल्प किया अभी? हमारी आईज. वेरी गुड. आईज हेल्प्स अस टू फाइंड आउट द डिफरेंस. And you can see that here is window is blue and here also blue. And यहाँ डोर पे कलर ब्लू मिसिंग है. ग्लास का कलर ब्लू नहीं है यहाँ पे. ये भी डिफरेंस है. दैट इज व्हाट यू कीप ऑन फाइंडिंग. ओके. एंड विच ऑर्गन हेल्प अस टू डू दैट? दिस इज आवर eyes. This exercise assessment zone we have finished. And in the next page just look at it. This activity you need to do on your own. Make it work. Take a walk in your neighborhood along with your parents. अपने मम्मा पापा के साथ आपको अपने neighborhood में walk करना है. Use all your senses to observe your surroundings. You need to observe your surroundings. Now note down your observations. आपको क्या करना है? अपनी observations को note करना है. I heard. आपने कौन सी आवाज़ें सुनी? That you are going to write. I saw. आपने क्या क्या देखा? That you are going to write. I smelled. आपने किस किस चीज़ की स्मेल करी? That you need to write. I touched. If you touch something, you need to write down here. Okay. So do this activity. The ends of our fingers have certain patterns that make our fingerprints. Let us make a drawing using those patterns. Take a chart paper, take watercolors on a plate, dip your thumb in the color that you like. Now press your thumb on the chart paper. You can make different designs. This activity we already did. मैम ने आपको ये activity animals वाले chapter में कराई थी और आप ये activity दोबारा enjoy कर सकते हैं. Okay, so do it again to create your own designs with your fingerprints. And this is subject connect. English. ये exercise आपके English से related exercise है. Okay. Read the story. Underline the names of body parts in green. Circle the action words given in the phrase. You need to read this story and you need to find out the body parts. इस स्टोरी में जहाँ जहाँ बॉडी पार्ट्स के नाम दिखेंगे आपको, उनको आपको क्या करना है? ग्रीन से अंडरलाइन करना है. लाइक आई एम जस्ट रीडिंग. मीरा वेंट टू विजिट हर ग्रैंडमदर इन द विलेज. She had to walk 2 kilometers. Her legs were paining. यहाँ पे कौन सा बॉडी पार्ट है सेंटेंस में? लेग्स. तो लेग्स को आपको क्या करना है? अंडरलाइन. सर्कल द एक्शन वर्ड्स गिवन इन द फ्रेज. और एक्शन वर्ड्स को आपको क्या करना है? सर्कल करना है. आपको ढूंढने हैं कौन कौन से इसमें एक्शन वर्ड हैं. पेनिंग, बेकिंग, ओके, such kind of word you need to find out and circle them. So action word you are going to circle and parts of body you are going to underline with green. Do the exercise and enjoy learning. हमारा ये चैप्टर पूरा हो गया है. एक्सरसाइज हमने करी है, इसकी इंटरनल एक्सरसाइजेस भी की हैं और ये चैप्टर फिर से रीड करना है, लर्न करना है. ट्राई टू लर्न द स्पेलिंग्स and keep learning, okay? And we are going to start the new chapter from the next day. All right, till then, stay safe, stay healthy and be happy.